So in this video, I'll be showing you how you lock a sheet on Excel and also how you lock a whole workbook on Excel. So you can see I have 3 different sheets. Locking the whole sheet like this is going to be a workbook, right? So now let's lock this side. I have some dashboard here, some weird dashboard I just created. So let's lock this sheet here. So what we are going to do is we put our cursor on the sheet here. We right click and you can see protect the sheet, and then you enter your password 123. Let's use a simple one. You can check these things if you want to lock all of them, it's up to you. And now we re-enter the password 123. Okay, and it's locked, right? Good. So you see we cannot do anything on it again because it's locked. Good. And now we right click again. To unprotect it and edit it, we enter our password 123. Okay, you double tap and you can edit it. Now this is for a sheet. This is for a sheet. And so now let's try locking the whole workbook. So we move to info. Sorry, you move to your file, move to your info here, protect this here. So tap on the protect. An active contains a malware. Good. So here let's protect the workbook, the whole book like this. So we enter a password 123. Okay. 123. Okay. Good. So we lock the workbook too as well. Simple and easy. To unprotect it, you come back again and you tap on this here and you can see this here. 123. Unprotected, you get it. So that's it on how you lock a sheet and a workbook on Excel. So I have a new video coming out. This is my YouTube data and I cleaned it, created a dashboard for it. I'm not done yet. I need to add couple slices and couple KPIs to make the dashboard look more nicer. And when I'm done, I'm going to drop the video so you can subscribe and then wait for something like that. That video is going to entail Power Query and then dashboards, slices, pivot tables, and the rest. So if you don't know anything about that, you can, subscribe to get to watch those videos if I drop them. So that's it for the video. Once again, peace.